हेलो एवरीवन, माय नेम इज़ ऋतु। आज हम करेंगे यूनिट 7 करंट चैलेंजेस फेसिंग इंडियन इकोनॉमी, जिसमें आपके ये सब टॉपिक कवर होंगे। पहला, ह्यूमन कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन, रूरल डेवलपमेंट, एम्प्लॉयमेंट, सस्टेनेबल डेवलपमेंट। यूनिट 7 से कुछ इंपॉर्टेंट एमसीक्यूज। पहला क्वेश्चन, द पीपल हु फ्रीक्वेंटली मूव इन एंड आउट ऑफ पुअर सेक्शन कॉल्ड चर्निंग पुअर। एक्सप्लेनेशन है, the churning poor are the people who go in and out of poverty, for example small farmer and seasonal worker. आगे चलते हैं। सेकंड क्वेश्चन, व्हेन वाज द फूड फॉर वर्क प्रोग्राम स्टार्टेड? द आंसर इज 2004। एक्सप्लेनेशन देखते हैं। द नेशनल फूड फॉर वर्क प्रोग्राम NFWP was launched by Minister of Rural Development, Central Government on 14th November 2004. आगे चलते हैं। Which of the following is not a source of health expenditure? Your options are interim medicine. Fourth question, which level of education takes the major share of total expenditure by the government? Your options are higher education, elementary education, tertiary education या none of the above. Elementary education. Explanation देखते हैं। Elementary education takes the highest major share of total expenditure and higher education has the least. Elementary education या primary education is the basic or the first level of education and hence the government emphasize it more. आगे चलते हैं। Source of human capital formation. Options are investment in education, investment in health, investment in one of the job training या all of the above. Answer is all of the above. Explanation देखते हैं। Source of human capital are investment on education, investment on health, investment on information, investment on the job training, investment on migration. आगे चलते हैं। Indicator of growth of education sector is, your options are life expectancy rate, infant mortality rate, literacy rate या none of the above. The correct answer is literacy rate. Explanation देखते हैं। Literacy rate is an important indicator of educational achievement in a country. This is because of the fact that the majority of that country's population is not able to continue their education till this age. Therefore, the higher the youth literacy rate, the higher will be achievement of a country in term of education. आगे चलते हैं। Which of the following is not a mean of human capital formation? इसमें से कौन सा नहीं है? Your options are improving technical knowledge, enlarging the size of business, increasing cost of production. D, changing social outlooks, increasing cost of production. Explanation देखते हैं। Cost of production does not directly relate to expenditure of human capital formation. आगे चलते हैं। Which of the following is not an indicator of education level? Your options are year of schooling, life expectancy, pupil teacher ratio, enrollment rate. Life expectancy. ध्यान से पढ़ना है। Life expectancy rate is not an indicator of education level. आगे चलते हैं। 9th क्वेश्चन, द स्टॉक ऑफ स्किल, एबिलिटी, एक्सपर्टीज, एजुकेशन एंड नॉलेज इज अ नेशन एट अ पॉइंट ऑफ टाइम इज नोन एज ह्यूमन कैपिटल। एक्सप्लेनेशन देखते हैं। द टर्म ह्यूमन कैपिटल रेफर्स टू इकोनॉमिक वैल्यू ऑफ वर्कर्स एक्सपीरियंस एंड स्किल। ह्यूमन कैपिटल includes asset like education, training, intelligence, skills, health and other employer values such as loyalty and punctuality. आगे चलते हैं। ह्यूमन कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ डैश टू द स्टॉक ऑफ ह्यूमन कैपिटल ओवर टाइम। द करेक्ट आंसर इज एडिंग। एक्सप्लेनेशन देखते हैं। ह्यूमन कैपिटल फॉर्मेशन इज द प्रोसेस ऑफ एडिंग टू द स्टॉक ऑफ ह्यूमन कैपिटल ओवर टाइम। नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, द कॉजेज ओवरऑल बैकवर्डनेस ऑफ इंडियन इकोनॉमी। योर ऑप्शंस आर scarcity of capital, labor scarcity, unemployment या poverty. Scarcity of capital. Explanation देखते हैं। Scarcity of capital, technological backwardness and unemployment are generally found in underdeveloped country. Hence, scarcity of capital or capital deficiency causes overall backwardness of economy. It hinders the opportunity to develop since there are no fund in economy to raise the standard of living of people. Moreover, lower saving led to lower investment. आगे चलते हैं। 12th क्वेश्चन देखते हैं। डैश एक्ट्स एज an impediment to India's economic development. Your options are unemployment, poverty, mass illiteracy, improper rural development. Answer is mass illiteracy. Explanation देखते हैं। Mass illiteracy act as an impediment to India's economic development because literacy develop the human resources which is necessary for the economic development. Educated citizens are better human resources and make better use of other resources. आगे चलते हैं। Dash is major source of human capital. Your options are taxes, subsidies, health. All of these. Correct answer is health. Explanation देखते हैं। There is an old saying, a sound mind in a sound body. Expenditure on health make a man more efficient, therefore more productive and thus enhancing human capital. आगे चलते हैं, सिग्निफिकेंस ऑफ ह्यूमन कैपिटल वॉज रिकग्नाइज इन डैश 5-year प्लान in the 7th 5-year plan. Indian agriculture exhibits a considerable amount of underemployment and the correct answer is A. Explanation देखते हैं, Indian agriculture exhibits a considerable amount of underemployment and disgusts unemployment since farmers are large in number with each having limited land resources. Hence, many farmers are working on a limited piece of land, resulting a disgust, unemployment and underemployment. आगे चलते हैं, नेक्स्ट क्वेश्चन, क्रेडिट टेकन फॉर अ पीरियड ऑफ 15 ईयर इज कंसिडर्ड एज, योर ऑप्शंस आर शॉर्ट टर्म, मीडियम टर्म, लॉन्ग टर्म या नन ऑफ द अबव. लॉन्ग टर्म. एक्सप्लेनेशन देखते हैं, लॉन्ग टर्म क्रेडिट इज अ क्रेडिट गिवन फॉर मोर देन 15 ईयर्स. आगे चलते हैं, नाबार्ड इज अ सोर्स ऑफ रूरल क्रेडिट. योर ऑप्शंस आर इंस्टीट्यूशनल, नॉन इंस्टीट्यूशनल, कोऑपरेटिव सोसाइटी या रीजनल. करेक्ट आंसर इज इंस्टीट्यूशनल. एक्सप्लेनेशन देखते हैं, सोर्सेज ऑफ एग्रीकल्चरल क्रेडिट कैन बी ब्रॉडली क्लासिफाइड इनटू institutional and non-institutional sources. Non-institutional sources include money lenders, trader and commission agents, relative and landlord, but institutional source include cooperative, commercial bank including SBI Group, RBI and NABARD. आगे चलते हैं, 18th question, the formula to calculate workforce participation ratio. Your options are total workforce upon total population divide by 100. Second, number of unemployment person divide by labor force multiply by 100. Third option, workforce divide by number of people who willing to work but are unemployment multiply by 100. The last one is workforce divide by labor force multiply by 100. The correct answer is total work upon total population multiply by 100. आगे चलते हैं, 19th question, agriculture and allied product account for India's total export. Correct answer is 10%. Explanation देखते हैं, share of agriculture and their allied product in total export is about 10% as per 11-12. ठीक है. 20th question देखते हैं, which of the following is not a benefit of organic farming. बेनिफिट नहीं है. योर ऑप्शंस आर चीपर इनपुट्स, अट्रैक्टिव रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट, ग्रेटर इम्पोर्ट पॉसिबिलिटी, हायर न्यूट्रिशनल वैल्यू, ग्रेटर इम्पोर्ट पॉसिबिलिटीज. एक्सप्लेनेशन देखते हैं, ऑर्गेनिक फार्मिंग हैव चीपर इनपुट्स, इट जनरेट गुड रिटर्न ऑन इन्वेस्टमेंट एंड इनकम थ्रू एक्सपोर्ट. ऑर्गेनिकली ग्रोन फूड हैज न्यूट्रिशन वैल्यू. आगे चलते हैं, 21st क्वेश्चन, डैश रेफर टू अ सेल इन विच फार्मर आर फोर्स्ड टू सेल देयर सरप्लस प्रोड्यूस टू द मनी लेंडर और ट्रेडर एट लोअर प्राइस. आंसर इज डिस्ट्रेस सेल. 22nd, greater proportion of women worker are found in dash India's workforce area as a component of rural sector. 23rd, if a construction site manager hire 2 worker on daily wage basis, such a situation is covered under dash sector, informal sector. 24th, dash is an apex body which provide academic and technical support for qualitative improvement of school education. This is NCRT. Full form is National Council of Research and Training. 25th, the Tapas Mazumdar Committee was appointed by the government in the year 1988 से लेके 89. 26th, Dash is the apex institution to provide credit facility, agriculture and rural development, NABARD. 27th, Dash was the first to suggest that cotton can be organically produced, Amartya Sen. 28, during 11-12, India had about dash population. The rural worker constitute about dash of this, 473 million, and this is the 3/4. आगे चलते हैं, 29, worker who own and operate an enterprises to earn their livelihood are known as dash, and about dash in Indian belongs to this category. This is known as self-employed and 52%. 30th question, over the last 4 decades 1972 से लेके 2012 people have moved from self-employment and regular salaried employment to dash. Scholar call this process as casual wage work and casualization of workforce. आगे चलते हैं, true and false. मनरेगा स्कीम गिव ओनली 100 days employment. False, क्योंकि मिनिमम 100 डे दे सकता है, उससे ज़्यादा भी दे सकता है. 32, educated labor force facilitates adaptation to new technology. True. 33. Education levels are rising on an average, which is reducing inequality. True. Financial resources should be transferred from tertiary education to elementary education. False. 35. Education facilitates invention and innovation. True. आगे चलते हैं. 36. Government intervention is not needed in education and health sector. False. 37. As per the Human Development Report 2018, India was ranked at 180th position. False. Anbai is a rural bank. False. 39. Organic farming is facing a problem of marketing. True. 40th. Rapid expansion of banking system had a positive effect on rural farm and non-farm output, income and employment. True. Agriculture diversification related to change in cropping pattern only. False. In India, the farming community uses the mixed crop livestock farming system. True. आगे चलते हैं. Question answer. India is the worst scenario as compared to the other two countries, Pakistan and China, with respect to access to improve sanitation and dash. Answer is clean water. 44th. China and Pakistan have more proportion of dash people than India. Urban. First 5-year plan of commencement dash in the year 1956. Pakistan. Maternal mortality rate is high in Pakistan. आगे चलते हैं. Pakistan began following a dash economic system where both the public and the private sector could coexist. Mixed economy. 48. The fertility rate is dash in China and dash in Pakistan. Low in China and high in Pakistan. 49. Dash in 1958 was a campaign that was robustly aiming at industrializing the country on a massive scale. Great leap forward. Dash was responsible for starting the Great Proletarian Culture Revolution in 1966. Mao Zedong. ठीक है. थैंक यू सो मच फॉर वॉचिंग. जल्दी ही मिलते हैं नेक्स्ट वीडियो के साथ. टेक केयर.